Hi all, today we are going to make a magic card for brother. To make this, you need these materials as shown. Well, now let's start with the making process. First, you need to take black paper, then fold it into half and crease on the folded part properly. So now open it and using scale and pencil you have to draw the borders. Here I am taking 1/4 inch border. It's your wish, you can take half inch also. Once you're done with the border part, now on one side of the folded part you have to make a rectangle as shown. Shape, you can take any shape you like. I took here rectangle. Now you can see on the corners I have just made a small triangle that you have to chop it off, then the other part you have to fold, and the other side you can see you have to cut that part. So yeah, do as I have done. See, once you will cut and fold those parts it will look like this. So keep this aside, and now you have to take a white paper of the half size of the folded part, 1 mm more than whatever the size it is. You have to stick this white paper on the folded part, exactly the crease line, slightly towards the other side of the crease line, as you can see how I have done. Stick properly as shown, and after that you have to fold it, but make sure the glue is totally dried, otherwise it may stick. Once you will fold, it will look like this. Now you have to take another rectangle paper. It should be 1/4 inch more than the rectangular shape or card, whatever you have taken should be more than that, as you can see. Then same size OHP sheet also you have to take, and as you can see both are of same size. Now on the white paper you have to write whatever message you want to write over there. Here I am using a photo, and I have written you row. With that I will be coloring design and all. It's totally your wish, it's your creativity. You can go on with your own creative thoughts. So here I have done the simple one for my brother. Next is you have to stick OHP sheet on the white paper. You have to apply glue on only one side of the white paper and have to stick. See, you can see on the right side I have sticked it. Yes, and now let it dry for some time, and on top of it you have to stick one folded strip. So I use the same card paper to do this. So this way you have to stick. Yes, let it dry. You can see it's almost done. Yeah, once you lift the OHP sheet it will look like this. Now just check by keeping it inside the rectangular shape. So if everything is okay, it's okay. Otherwise, if any excess thing is there or extra paper is there, you can chop it off. I glue on the folded part and stick it as shown. Keep it aside for some time to dry, and then take your design part also. You have to put it inside as shown. Yeah, so you can see one side you can't see anything, because this is a very unique way to put this paper and OHP sheet inside, because the white sheet which we have used, it will be acting as a wall between these two papers and the OHP sheet. So you have to put one side of OHP sheet on the front side and the paper onto the other side. Now last but not the least, now you are going to use the permanent marker just to highlight the main things like the heart shape, highlight the letters. You can use the marker. So do as I am doing. It should be done on the OHP sheet only. Hope all of you are ready to see the magic now. So this is how we do magic with the magic cards. So this is a very unique technique, and it's lovely how many times maybe I'm making this, but still I love doing even more. So I hope you also like this activity. And yes, it is always a very unique way to gift your loved ones. Hope you will also make one and will gift it to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.